Fans, you ready? Take a look at this product, and this is not a buy for, paid, any type of advertisement. This is showing you the product I just put out. Now, why am I showing you that? Because this is about grubs. And take a look at my lawn out there. I just got done spraying this for 1,000 square feet. I fill up my backpack sprayer. I spray 1,000 square feet. Then I fill it back up again, 1,000 square feet, on, so on, so on. That's about 4,500 square feet here, 2,000 out back. And I sprayed all of my landscaping beds, flowering beds. And why did I do that? Because that's where the fertile soil is. Grubs they like to get in there and dig on things, feed on roots. Now, if you start to notice out here in your lawn that you've got a brown patch, I'm going to show you over here. Had a little POA problem, and I thought the lawn was dormant, and it wasn't. And I sprayed some Roundup on it. So that's what this kill-off is. But if you saw an area like this, try not to spill my beer here. If you saw an area like this, and you came over here and you pulled this up and the whole area came up with that, then you've probably got some type of infestation or insect damage going on down in there. And this product would prevent grubs that would do this type of damage from feeding on those roots. They may chew on it and it'll kill them off. It's systemic or foliar. Foliar means it would, if you left it here on the tips, that it could get into the plant that way, or if you watered it in, it could absorb through the roots in the soil and take care of the insects or the grubs that way. Now, why kill off the grubs? Because they will kill spots in your lawn, or critters, animals will come in like armadillos here in Georgia, and they'll feed on those grubs and they'll tear up your entire lawn. Moles will come in and feed on those grubs, and armadillo will make holes all in your lawn. A mole will make tunnels getting to those grubs. So you want to get them this time of year. You want to try to kill them off so you won't have that problem when things start moving around as it gets warmer. So that's it. That's the point of this video. Right now, if you're in Georgia, Northwest Georgia, around this area, in the States, in the South, then you want to get this product out and get it watered in. I went heavy with it out back. I got a wooded area out back, and they're doing some clearing off to put in another subdivision. And so that's pushing everything into these open spaces. And so started to get a lot of mole action and gopher action last year. So hopefully that's going to take care of it. But that's it for me. From you to Brian. Out.